Hi everyone, I'm Nam. Have you ever read the full-length 2-hour videos? I did on the 3 different machines. No demo footage, no synthetic feedback. This is a real-world project with a real deadlines.
Here the setup. I took the complex real client project, multi-camera disc, grading, subtitle, motion text, and exported in 1080p. Each machine exported the same exact project used 3 different NLEs like Adobe Premiere Pro, DAVINCI Resolve, and Final Cut Pros. Premiere Pro had a reputation, not the best on Apple Silicon. This benchmark confirmed it. Premiere favor raw GPU power. The RTX 5070 crushed this render. Apple Silicon just couldn't keep up here. Resolve is known for better cross-platform optimization, but again, raw GPU wins the race. What surprised me was how far behind the M4 Pro was. Despite being the latest chip, looked like long duration export and memory bandwidth may be the bottleneck. This is where Mac should shine, and they do. But again, the M4 Max beat the M4 Pro. Even in Final Cut, the newer M4 Pro was nearly 11 minutes slower than the M4 Max. That's shocking. If you use Premiere or Resolve for real deadline-heavy projects, a well-balanced PC built like this can save you 15 minutes per export. But if you're in the Final Cut ecosystem, the M4 Max still dominates in speed and stability. Timeline playback on Final Cut with M4 Max, flawless. M4 Pro still smooth, but not faster. On Premiere, the PC was fastest, but timeline scrubbing under heavy effect wasn't perfect. In short, it's not about which machine is objectively fastest, it's about what's best for your workflows. Are you editing full-length content like this? What machine are you using and which NLE? Comment below, I read everyone and might benchmark your setup next.
Tuyệt vời!